Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress on it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the website section on the left panel, then click on Website List. Here, select the domain or website you want to work with and open its dashboard. Once inside, go to the Domains tab on the left panel. Then select Subdomains. Here, you'll have the option to create a new subdomain, so type in the name you want for it. Then, make sure to turn on the Custom Folder for Subdomain option. Once done, click the Create button. You'll now see your new subdomain added to the list. Next, let's proceed to install WordPress on that specific subdomain. On the left panel, select the Auto Installer tab, then choose WordPress. Here, enter your website title, followed by your username and password. After that, click on the Advanced section. Under Installation Path, open the drop-down menu and select the subdomain you just created. Once you've selected it, click Next, then proceed with the installation. After it's done, go back to your subdomains dashboard. You'll see that the WordPress has been successfully installed. And that's it. You've just created a subdomain in Hostinger and installed WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.